Good guys, I'm Sean. Welcome to Ramble. It's just like a fucking ghost there, just coming into the darkness. Ooh. So guys, listen, I was gonna say Happy New Year, tell you. So guys, listen, day 17? Do you know what, guys? I'm all over the place. I don't know what. It's Sunday. Day 16 was yesterday, so day 17, Sunday evening. Been a very busy day. Went up and seen the wee man. I don't know if you can see it in the background or not there. That's wee Cookie though, the wee feral, the wee stray cat. There's Sheen overfeeding it. She's been feeding it for 2.5 years, so that's it there. So we've actually went up and seen wee Measle. He's still inside the vets. This'll be 7 days tomorrow. Hopefully he'll be getting out on Monday. There's a bit of blood in his urine apparently, and he's still not eating. And what else? He's just got the catheter in, he's still not going to the toilet as such. He's getting a few drops out. So they're doing tests anyway and they're keeping an eye on him. So hopefully he'll be getting out tomorrow. I want to thank you all for, and on behalf of Sheena as well, I just want to thank you all so much for your positive vibes and comments that you're giving. No photographs today. I had a wee meeting today and so no photographs, I'm sorry. But I hope you're well. And I'm going to wrap this video up here. I'm going to keep a thing. Monday, tomorrow, we're going into Belfast. I'm going to be taking some photographs. So you're going to be watching this on Monday. And hopefully when you're watching this, I've already took a photograph in Belfast. So listen, guys, sending you love once again from Belfast. I really appreciate all your love and support. There's Sheena there. And I'll give you a wee shout later. There's Sheena and her friends. So listen, I'll catch you later, guys, and send you love from Belfast.